Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by confirming firmware and collecting parts. This reduces surprises later. First, power each Solix and note its unit ID. Once done, decide whether you'll use DHCP or assign static IPs so devices won't conflict. Next, connect units to a powered Ethernet switch using quality cables. This creates a stable backbone. Make sure to label cables and record IPs. Doing that now saves time during testing and avoids repeated reboots while you finish the configuration. Now you'll configure each Solix to talk to the network. Enter the network menu and apply your static addresses or confirm DHCP leases. This ensures predictable routing. Once IPs are set, enable Ethernet sharing and pick stream priorities so sonar and charts don't compete. Then assign friendly unit names and map which ports carry sonar, chart, and waypoint data so each unit subscribes correctly. After that, restart the units one at a time to let the network negotiate and build persistent routes across devices. Finish by testing real traffic. Share a waypoint, view a remote sonar feed, and replay a track to confirm end-to-end sharing. This validates both hardware and settings. If a stream fails, check link LEDs, swap the cable, and confirm the switch is powered. Those simple checks fix most issues. If problems persist, reapply settings or factory reset the affected unit as a last resort. But first document current IPs and export any configs so you can recover quickly and avoid repeated downtime.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.